Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to make a Bunq account. First thing, go to web.bunq.com. Click on Don't have an account yet, join to the bank for free. Choose the Bunq plan that suits your needs and enter your full name, date of birth, address, and other required information. Read and agree to Bunq's terms and conditions, and then your account is now created. Now all you have to do is complete identity verification. Bunq will guide you through the process. You can upload a government-issued ID. Accepted documents may include passport, national ID card, and driver's license. You'll be asked to record a short video to confirm your identity. Ensure you're in a well-lit, quiet place. Just follow the instructions to complete the video verification. Bunq lets you choose how to complete the video verification on your desktop or on your mobile browser. They will review your verification details. This process may take a few minutes to a few hours. Once approved, you can start using all Bunq features. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.